I remember my kids and nephew at the hospitals and all these people, wearing masks. And I could see the potential of having a transparent mask.
We also received many enthusiastic feedbacks from patients, nurses, and hospitals. And actually, all the healthcare workers.
And the ability to empathize with the people directly was very important.
Our last achievement was to develop a method that increases both the transparency and the resistance of this new material.
The patent process is ongoing to protect our invention.
A medical device of class 1.
Composed of micro and nanofibers. Our guidelines for the selection were low cost and minimal environmental impact.
We started to fundraise
For the Hellomask project, and the creation of a startup company is now planned for the marketing of the new mask.